Welcome to this week of Fly Rod Chronicles. We have a very special episode with our good friends from Project Healing Waters.
There he is, brother! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Yeah! Woo! What are you thinking now, baby?
We get to go down and we get to tour Fort Bragg, hang out with some of the 82nd Airborne, and then we get to go over to Fayetteville to take in some Marabou Madness. Now this is where it gets really exciting because we get to fish with the vets.
You got a double!
It was my first time catching a shad. We even go over to Wilmington and get to take a tour of a naval ship. So I promise you'll want to stick around for this.
Traveling the world, fishing, enjoying the great outdoors. Those are things that would have seemed impossible to me when I was a kid growing up in the mountains of West Virginia. I'm a lucky man, and I never want to forget it, and I'm hoping that sharing my experiences with folks will inspire them to do the same. I'm Curtis Fleming, and these are my Fly Rod Chronicles.